Welcome back, Bulldogs, and welcome to registration information video number 3. This is the video where we're actually going to look at how to register for classes using the schedule planner that you can access through OnePort. Let's go and let's get you in those classes. You get to the schedule planner through OnePort and you will need your username and password, the same you use to access your UNCA email, to log in. In OnePort, you can find the schedule planner under academic links. When you log in, make sure you have your list of classes for next semester ready. Engineering majors, before you get to this step, please make sure to watch the engineering video and make sure to use the list of first semester courses that is shared on this website. When you click on Schedule Planner, a new window will open. Here, make sure to select the next semester, then click Save and Continue. On the next screen, select all instruction modes to make sure you have access to all classes offered next semester, then click Save and Continue. On the next screen is where you can add courses by clicking the Add Course button. This will open another screen where you can look up classes by subject, attribute, instructor, or course registration number. Whenever you select the class by subject, you will pick the disciplinary prefix and the course that you want to take, and then make sure to click the Add Course button down here so the class shows up on the right side. Once you have selected all the classes you want to take next semester, they should all show up here on the right side of the screen. Once you're done, make sure to click Done, which will take you back to the previous screen. Now you can add a break to block times when you cannot take classes, for example because of work or sports practice. Click Add Break. Make sure to name the break. Then select the times for when you want the break to be in effect, as well as the weekdays for when you want that break to be on your schedule, and then click Add Break. Now that you have your courses for next semester, as well as the times when you cannot be in class, click Generate Schedules. The program will now display a list of all the schedules available with the classes and break times you have selected. You can take a quick look by hovering over the magnifying glass. You can take a detailed look by clicking on View, and you can also compare multiple schedules that you like. Once you have found your preferred schedule, click on View and click on Send to Registration Card. In order to register, go to Registration Card and then click Register. You will be prompted to enter your RAN, your registration access number. That number will be shared with you once you complete the student information form, which you can find below this video on the first year registration website. If you cannot generate a schedule with the selections that you've made, then you need to adjust those selections, either by changing the classes or the break times. In all of that, remember that you need to take at least one of the first year experience courses during your first semester at UNC Asheville. Once you completed your schedule, this schedule will be reviewed by one of our professional advisors, and they will get in touch with you to let you know if your schedule is good to go or if there need to be some changes. Of course, you can always reach out to us at asc@unca.edu with any questions or concerns at any point during this process.